Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos and very special. And right now it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So right now I'm heading to my mom's construction site over there and then go that way. I want to see what's going on. So first thing, I want to show you how things go. Oh guys, good morning. I just greet my my birds here. It's come and camp here. And during when I was building this toilet, the same these birds camping here. So it means blessing after blessing. Man, if you're watching these videos for the very first time, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the main point. And also don't skip ads. So right now let's go. 20. I'm taking you to my mom's construction site, and you see how things go. That's my beautiful home. And I'm trying to change home step by step. So before I go there, yesterday we managed to do to arrange stones on the foundation, or to raise up the foundation, and the stones, they didn't finish up, and it's so late. So God opened the door, and I want to say thank you so much, Mrs. G, all the way from Central America, and I'm taking you there. So last night around I think 10 p.m. we managed to bring one truck for the stones, and it's my evidence on my videos. I'll show you up on that. So yeah, orante vikamara wipia kama vema jungu tunandika. Hey guys, I was waiting these people. Right now finally they have been arrived, and it's too late. Look, I'm gonna medium. It's too late. Woo! Yeah?
I don't get a quiet video.
Guys, it's too late.
Anaanza biashara nyingine. Na wewe mtu mwenye ulikuwa tu hapo bado uko tu hapo.
Unasikia mpaka sasa hivi mtu anakuambia eti mfuatie kokoto eti ni 12,000. Nani mtu hata yani? Alafu sasa anaanza masharti. Sema kwambia na 12. Ile safi
na ujaze.
Ijae ile safi kabisa. 12. Sasa angalia mtu wako na akili.
Migori sasa ni hivi.
Hii ndio ujinga sasa.
Wabe wengine. Nanga bwa. Aya, kurindira huko ndonga ko za saa hizi. Mkole teke mama zambo kore friend zinyu.
Imagine guys, at night, tunafuata kokoto. Hey, 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 hey. Guys, I'm telling you, it's too late. Woo, 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 woo. Look at that. Hey, hey, too late. See that? Whoa. Hey, hey. Oh my God. That's truck with the stones. Let's go this way, you know. Yeah, chill home, calm home. But this house, I will never demolish. Guys, there's somebody calling me. That's my plan. But hello. Nilikuwa ninaoga chacha, ndo natoka hivi. Sasa kazi unajua mimi siko hivyo, nilikuwa naoga, nilikuwa bafuni. Sai tu. So that's one of my plumber who do plumbing on that toilet. So there's some conversation we want to talk with him. So anyway, let me take you there. Look, we have white chicken. Hey, ona sianguke. Jamani. Mwana sianguke. So that house that I'm staying there, I will never demolish. That one could be my memory and then I will stay there forever. But this one here, maybe in future. Now, hey, things are shining. That's my grandma home or my dad's parent home. You know. Hey, hey. Yeah. African car grazing. Good morning. Hey, such a beautiful car. Good morning. I hope I'm not aggressive. All right, all right, all right. You know. So, yeah, this is the outside toilet for my uncle, and you know, I support them when they've been building. You know, other cars sleeping here. You see that one here. So, guys, yesterday's work, we do a fantastic job, but the stones, they didn't finish up. This one here, it's a small stones we didn't put inside the foundation. So this one also, it have some work, and when we depend on this, it couldn't finish up, so we end up missing one truck. And I talked with one of my tractor who have some lorry. They bring stones at night. So I didn't pay him money because I told him, you just go in the morning, I was paying you the money. So thank you so much, Mrs. G, all the way from Central America, and may God bless you abundantly. So that money, it's still working. I will pay the guy for the truck who brings the stones. At the same time, I will pay the mason and the handman. You know, we are building Africa step by step. And also, Mrs. G, you supporting me with one truck for the ballast stones. Let me touch. When I touch like this, I greet you, Mrs. G. You know, one truck, it's from Mrs. G. And right now, the stones, hardcore stones ground, it's also for the Mrs. G. You know, hey. Oh my God. You know, they're moving here stones. Other side, other group from this side here. We have blocks. You know, let me show you men at work. Huh? So before that, I'll take you there. Okay, let me take you there. Yeah. I have that. Sure. So we bring one trolley for the stones. We poured here because the road can't pass here because of this soil. So they put those stuff here. You know, it's a lot, but they just, you know, me just wake up in the morning, I went to the bathroom, bed, and then when I came, I found people have already, you know, doing their job. So this one here that you see, it's a lot. It's come up to this side. You see even these stones here going to the road. So it means they have been, you know, pushing to the construction site. So this one truck for the lorry, and if you are my fellow Kenyan watching this video and you are doing construction, this one goes to $80. That's 8,000 Kenyan shillings. 8,000 Kenyan shillings. Around $75 there. One truck, 70 to 80s. It ranged there. You know, sometimes because of the exchange rate, around 80s, you know. So this one will finish up, and when they finish earlier, we do screeding. So maybe by tomorrow, it's the setting of the machine cut, all blocks, you know. Look, hey, medium, huge, all are working. That's my village boy here. That's my colleague to my dad. No. Jay-Z. Hiya. Let's go. That's my brother's maze. Every day they're growing, doing well. So at the same time on these videos, I'm gonna meet with my mason right now. You know. Mani pano watege? Yage, mupari. So guys, we see yesterday we having to work here, right here, this side, you know, also this side going that way. Look, a lot. Here, it's because of stones, and also because at the same time because of time. But we managed to bring stones. So today's fire. Oh my God. You know, even here. So you see even here. Tata Joffrey. Achoma hoko reno niri huimuki. No niri tamendra uturi has. Mari. Hali. Hadi. Takusaidia tena pakubwa.
Where's the spade?
So guys, I'm shocked. Daddy, ondo here. Daddy mdogo. Eh, it's a call after call. Hello. Hello. Hikire. So guys, that's a call from my plumber. I wanna rush. We can't go to get chore. Manpower. Go on. So guys, me, I'm shocked. Arranging on the stones and then the foundation goes up. Africa.
Wait, I a spade.
Spade. Correct. Kwani msingine mugale mbakutupi.
Akana maro baka ngutu na kalingi.
Hano.
Sahayo.
Hai.
You know how to get hayo.
So those my mason. Umufundi tarachi that. Nkiabai. No, ulimpa direction.
Sasa mtu ajaulize kazi ni wapi ukaanzaje kumpea direction.
Chere kama hana ukweli.
Sasa ungemwambia akuje hapa.
Sasa si nimemrudi kumpigia simu mara ya pili achukue.
Achana naye tata. Hatuwezi sukuma gurudumu. So, you see? Yeah. I'm telling you, if one day one of my subscribers having maybe willing to have a land closer to my home, and he or she want to build, this is the kind of foundation that you are going, to build. And maybe in case water would penetrate, could be easily, rather than putting cement, that one is standard foundation. So anyway, I'm rushing to Nyabuhanse, and we shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, right now I'm in Nyabuhanse. Just run a little bit on this butcher, Bora Safi. I want to buy meat here. Kiyoto kitamu mama, isukubi. Tato hongi isukubi keda. Yeah mama. Anyway, and then I'll go back home. Okay guys, I wanna buy tomatoes, I think right there. And we keep pushing. Anna piki piki. We keep pushing. Let's see. Mama nifungie nyani. Shikao. Salam. Zamia. Inshinga. So you wanna buy some carrier bag. Also, when I'm going to Nyabuhanse, I'll pick some meat for my mason and also at large for my family. Tafunga za mia munge kwa kapepsi. Those wengine weke humo ndani za 100. Za 50. Gani? Hapa ni ngapi?
350 kufanya 50.
Weka hizo. Weka hizo. Si nyanya ni nyanya.
Ni nyanya.
Okay, I'm trying to buy for my mama. Haya, za 50. Haya, sawa. Also, we have coriander. Haya. Na karoti unauza?
Karoti 20.
Weka 3. Hizi hapa. Hizi mrefu. So I need to buy carrots more. Na sasa hivi mnafuata wapi nyanya? Mpaka imefunga.
Hata hawa nyanya wamesha.
Kitu yenye una fresh ni hizi. Nataka za leo.
No, ni fresh.
Hizi?
Vijana nimezileta.
Umekaa nazo kwa jua?
Tunaona hata huyu mtu anihesabia chapuchapu ananisema mpaka hivi.
This paper guys, green paper, you know.
Ile ni kuonea wewe.
Aye. Also want to buy this green paper. I don't know, it's called green paper. I don't know, no clue about that. Yeah? Sawa. Pesa yako imekuwa ngapi? Inaelekea 300. To 60.
I think so. Sababu hii nimegawa mpaka na hii.
To 60.
Nyanya na nini 150. Plus carrot 60. Hiyo ni 210. Plus hizi zinakuja 250. 280.
Haya.
Onions.
Mtaeka. Sawa. Weka vitunguu.
Alafu mmoja mniambie na nyinyi ni
Aya, guys, I want to buy onions first before I forget. Unawekaje vitunguu ma?
2010.
Weka hii ya 1010. Nataka uweke ya 1010 ya 50 funge kando.
Ya 50 ya mama.
Funga tena zingine. Okay. So guys, making a budget as a village boy, sometimes it's very hectic, you know. Anyway guys, right now I'm in Nyabohan, so that's my bike. And welcome to Chef Matiko's mother's hotel. And I'm just buying mandazi. Mama ndio hapo nyuma. Sio mama, nimekutana hata Nairobi.
Si yupo hapo hapo nyuma.
Oh.
Na yule.
Asitavuka hapo ni parefu. Yeah, mom. Atakuja sema nimeingia hadi bedroom. Aya, asante. Okay guys, this is mandazi. Also, it's been unwired, you know. So I just buy at Chef Matiko's mother. Say hello.
Hello guys.
Guys. Okay, I want to buy cabbage here. We have tomatoes. Na kuna viazi nini? Viazi vitamu. Hiyo ni ile ngama?
Cabbage. Kwa tijirikana hivyo.
Chinongo tere kwa maboko. Sika panoro cha tsimbire ukisuhi.
Kartenda kuingeria yende.
Yeah. Takorega? Na sukuma utaniwekea 2020.
Sukuma?
Ile sukuma niwekea 10. Mimi sikulagi cabbage.
Niweke cabbage
2020.
Niweke sukuma ya 10. Kyo kusengera boro ke haika.
Wango segara maera ha. Tu anale kamera na mama. Oh my god.
Franco te changu buroti kobara baro mukuri.
Hai.
Nato ko te gusto ko korani hai.
Tana masenti sasa.
Kyo na kyo.
Hey guys. You know, it's because I do some favor to my mason. Maybe. Amatori kabicho ke sikumeni nyabisagi. That might be ara kuyamo.
Rosa kimi kuma sukuma kubitangora mahamba kamwisho. Ayo vene.
Sukuma ntona nuko ya hero ya siri.
Ikanko tande tenye.
Na matina hangi kumiyaka.
Na kiko tora hana kyo ra gote bon hano tora.
Nene bibi.
Haya, asante. Na nyanya to zirochi.
Ndoche.
Kono.
Endache.
Sangapi?
Okay, it's time to go home, mama. Okay guys, I have the carrier bag here and mama needs to cook food for these people. Hanonde mo mandasi. Eso kinko hemia ino.
Ndo kirero le mafragi.
Ero 350 ndako he. Otora yora irukima bone breakfast ukarikitu mura. 350 hata huo. Kwa sababu muna doji.
Doji wapi?
Cho suenda hata humo. Tuwe hata moi. So I want to handle this to my mama. Watu waku? Watu waku? You go. Say hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good.
I am fine.
Ay, nenda. Kira bantu para aquí. Oi. Cha? Ata anta aringa mkungwa ngiro sawa. This is my lemon, mama. You go. So people, they're supposed to eat, you know. When they see meat, more happy. The son of the mason asked me, want to see him. Hey, leta magana manene mura. Weke. Kazi ya uwezi. These kids, they need job. Told them this is very tough.
Yeah, you remember
Hey, mbuzi anakula kulingana na sha urefu waka. Hey, urefu waka. Hey, nimeleta matumbo. Uwe. Guys, I need to treat my people here. Nani aliomba matumbo? Si ati nyinyi mliomba. Haukuomba, aliyeomba ni mwingine.
Mimi niliomba nini?
Wewe utakula cabbage.
Sawa. Mradi mshibe.
Haya, wale matumbo. This is my lemon, bro. No, I want. Ndeteri kinyero. Furaha kwa baturi.
Sawa.
Tata suweke kama mbili hapa.
Hapa ni ndani. Kana hano na choba kufili kana na bila tota.
Aga tu vi Memphis.
Rafu kwa ambe har rigana no ni nene hatoto wala mechi siri vile bado ni rahisi na lazima toka hakacha kwa maneno basi.
Hey, si vitu za kufake. I need something straight.
Ndio.
Today I will treat you in good way. Kinyero kama kawaida. Sasa mwenye akuli cabbage shauri yenu.
Sawa.
Ni sawa, anye wale matumba again. Sikumeta mtanye manyi. Ani chomo kanyeri sukuma, wikira ri sukuma.
Ani nchi kabichi mpaka kuyo tu.
Mama. Sukuma hoere. Guys, just that. Nyabisagi. Temu kiambue, lakini utaharibu kazi. Ntana 20 ni hano mama. Orayo maiboke. Guys, we tried to communicate with my mom on the other side how to get kales, and my people didn't, you know, didn't take like cabbage, man. I'm scared. You know, yesterday they took cabbage. Today I tried to, you know, to change it. Garasi, mbona kama wewe mbili mura. Leo na vero gotora. Hiro mwako yongora. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hiro mzee yongora.
Yale bora sukuma kila siku.
Yeah, inakuona tu.
Hapana. Yale kabichi hapana.
Anyway, let's be cabbage. Mwenye atakula sawa. Wale hata my Guys, I want to wash this lemon. And it's very soft. Guys, now I want to show these people as an example. because there's another team carrying only 3 stones, man. 3 stones, like not even 3, 2, like this one, and then put on side. I need this. I want to show you example, right? Kuwa hapa. Aya, shika twende. Yamkiri.
Hello baby, I can see your car.
You see, guys.
Hello guys.
I need like that. Tui. Magana atatu. Yeah. Twende, I must be there. Wewe mwaga da dulete vidogo kama hivi. Tahumara hai. That's team. I must be very careful, you know, because sometimes, guys, I need to be tough, not rough. Even me, I was working on this level, and I know, no. Tutora magena. Tutora di chapa di show. Kayo hegin. Mahaga no motora marumuhi. Hata tutora hili gani ukipeleka moja kama mimi sina shida. Lakini magena abere. Weka tu mao hapa. Nikuja kwa kama matatu. Tahira oga isire mara muringi. Chinguru chikusira ndo rukure mara. Lakini ukiwa alive nikikulipa hela tayari usipoiri hoteli. Pigia mwili pole, alafu kesho urudi. Tahira magana. Bihuru, zato hatu amagana. Kwanza venyu. Weka mawe kubwa. Mara chenche na pamwiri pahira medium. Gayongo ka nyuma kwa msingi nyuma mora. Roro mwenyewe kirisho nantaka. Only 2 stones, the small stones, bro. And I pay you money. Remember to end it. Right now I'm here until we finish this group, these stones here. You go. Hanonde. Hey, bro. Mtu weke hii na hii. Kwa machera. Mawe mbili. I must be standing here until when they finish up, I'll go on the other side. That.
You have to do with them so that you have to be tough, like, you know, like the way Maro used to work. Without to be there.
Because at the end of the day, I will pay them money.
Yeah, so you have to be there. You have to work with them, making sure that they're doing what it's supposed to be done. Like they're not supposed to carry 2 stones, and you know, they have to carry the big one, maybe that one.
Only one? No, the bigger one, only one. But this one small,
20.
10
because they are just small, yeah.
Guys, I'm enjoying lemon, squeezing to my mouth. Sometimes, you know, when you have like fats in your body,
You just use the lemon.
other people said bitter to the mouth, medicinal to the stomach, sweet to the mouth, poisonous to the stomach, you know.
That is true. That's your talk, and you know it's good to trust your own crazy idea because your idea is not mine.
Hata venye tutora media mumu hile ka.
There's a mosat.
Wagwan. Waiter. Waiter. Palipawa. Waiter. Ambia wajamaa wakuje leo machere sasa. Hao baachere tigana na. Nenda tormo fama ne mu rorora.
Ba kwanza kwa gato kugende toro muntu trays.
Bloku sasa unajua engineer ndo mbovu.
Kesa tunapenda japo kwa block inafaa kuwa na fundi. Even the mason, you know, they just pay with block. When you're just paying by a block, it's kinda affordable because they will not going lazy that way.
Me I know my technique, you know. Wai gata media mujaze mwende. Tare lazima mwina manene. Haramurisikai penye weka. Hey.
Fue muito grande.
No other kids are enjoying Wi-Fi right there. Huh? We? Endo mimi nzako tengeneza video.
Simple pale kwa simu.
Okay. Oh. Let's go. You know guys, I have 3 teams here. Team A, B, C. And then also Mason.
I'm team A.
Yeah?
I'm B.
I'm trying not to see this team here. You know.
I'm on your A. I'm on your A. You go right.
I'm telling them, let's go with that one. You know. Guys, I'm telling you, since I started building, I was not like, you know, tough on people. Because that team, imagine only 2 small stones, man. Even I would hold on my hand like this. This, man, this. You know, only 2. And there were 2 people. You know. So I'll stand here when they finish this one, we take a U-turn. Even on these videos, guys, it was my evidence. I buy them some, you know, small intestine, you know, for the lunch and some veggies, you know. I just offer free breakfast, lunch, and I pay them the exact money, but they didn't work serious. You know, so here I must be tough. Must be tough on this game. You know, guys, what should I think if could be you and then people doing like crazy job, you know? Let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about these videos and this real story, real time from Africa. And I'm building my African mom dream house step by step. You know, it's a standard one, not big, not small. It's wrench on middle there, you know. So yeah, it's because of the space. And this is the public road here going to other side, and also this is my dad's shares here, you know. I mean, the only thing I don't want here is a comrade. I don't want a comrade person, you know. Guys, this is my tea, you know. Since morning I haven't taken my breakfast, and I was, you know, working at my mom's construction, supervising. At the same time, other people, you know, like going like, whoa, whoa, whoa. They think as a family member, we joke around. So this snack or mandazi, and that's how African mandazi looks like, you know. I bought from Mom's to Chef Matiko, you know. Yeah, very nice. See my house, man, you know. Maybe this one I will do, maybe renovation of painting only. Then we have tiles, and maybe I fix one of my room, putting ceiling board, you know, things like that. Guys, look, we are pushing, you know. Hey, we're remaining with this soil. Maybe we do backfilling, I don't know, maybe screeding, whichever. Look, this is my mom's master bedroom. Master bedroom. Si makubwa?
Kidogo tunachaza chini.
Nakano?
Tunapanga, tunajenga. Naweka vidogo, yani kuziba mashimo.
Oh. Sasa nepako tera makia kisukia manene.
Kwanza tunaweka madogo alafu ama nene kaji.
Tere hapa nyumba kore parking har. Tambo mwikenyo asabiri nene. See guys, so I'm telling them you just push that stones to other side. At least right now, guys, you can see if I could have a drone flew here, and then you see how the house looks like. But oh my God, when I'm standing here, you see. Yeah, my brother, push it. Yeah, you have big chest. Huh? 20. Yeah, at least to make money from construction rather than staying idle. You know. Pole. And I told them to have gumboot, they refused. Yeah. You know, look. In case I don't know. Jumping here. See.
Doing the pangering of the msingi. And the msingi is very hard when it comes to kupanga. And we told the boss to buy us a gambuti.
I pay you money. I pay you money, take that money by gambut.
You buy us a gambuti.
No free here.
Free here, no
free
things.
things.
No free here.
Yes.
And you doing work well, good.
I pay you good money. Why don't you take that money, half of it, to buy gambut? My brother.
You know, the money is very small.
Very small.
You know,
guys, let me know.
We think always the boss is having money.
No money. Even me, I'm struggling. Guys, please, for those people who do some construction in my village here, we pay people 1,000. Mostly the mason. Let me know, guys, because they said money is small, and I pay them 1,000, 1,000. 4 fundis. Today they are 3. Don't lie, my friend. I give you a lot of money. 1,000. And yesterday you finished the work early. You enjoy my money. Stop that. Stop that. Imagine yesterday by 5 you finish work and I give you 1,000, you go. The same today. Let me check the time. You have already finished up. Let me check. Guys, it's around 13:06 p.m. You work only 3 hours, you get 1,000, you go. Your day is coming. You shall meet in blocks. Noliora Kenya na wataka enjoy hapo tu. Yani unasukuma madeka 2, 5, 10 kubuloko. Phew. Guys, here must be very tough. You see? Look. Going up to that way. It's 3-bedroom, guys. Only standard. The standard one. Fundi. Yes. Jana nilikulipa shingapi?
1,000.
1,000?
1,000.
That's 10 USD. And then other fundi said it's small. You want me to pay you 5,000?
Yes.
For what?
5,000. I buy my own gambuti. I'm doing the job.
You do job, my brother. No money. Even me, I'm struggling to get even 1,000, you know, to pay you. You don't know, maybe my foundation will reach and then I stop. Like 6 months.
But the 10 USD.
10 USD. $10.
We don't complain.
You are complaining, my brother. Aswanga naguwa Joshua mpaka mwisho. See how the handmen are struggling here.
We are just
Anakuwekea tu kwa miguu hapo ni kupanga tu. Yeah. You know, handman, they're carrying stones all the way from other side. Bring to your legs and then your work is to push only and put some skills. You push, you put some skills. But Mason, handman are working so hard. So you just exchange. Handman take 1,000, you take 500. How do you feel? Don't kazi ngumu. Okay, guys. Sometimes we crack, we make a jokes.
They don't have skills.
Yeah, they don't have skills. So that's the reason why they suffer.
They are not suffering. They are bickering. You know what bickering?
Lakini Zabron, unatukundusira mboko kana karata ukiongea kini atoke pale. My machine cut on the foundation. Yako kama 10. Si waliweka wakiweka daraja. Hey, hapo hivi.
Who put them there? Who is putting them?
Terra wanakongera sasa.
Putting them, the one taking them out.
Mzee Geoffrey.
Yes.
Guys, I'm telling at the same time I'm sweating like a goat, but I'm still pushing, you know. I don't raturu ikoro. Tari kale kikoro hanu. Chapati ni nzuri mzee.
Today the boss is buying us David Doke. We pull out with the
So, hey. Ukona eh. Sara ukona sana ngasitache pa muri musinge.
Open that camber. Open that camber. Open the camber.
Okay. Ah.
Open that camber.
Konge. Guys, now food is ready. Bonge want to eat.
I want to eat now. The food is ready. I'm very hungry.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I want some.
This guy, he carried only 2 stones, but in terms of food, hey, quickly first. Kule
Anapiga simu lete kilo.
Haya mara ato titacho anadai.
Sabiara wewe nyumba na kuoge ngoko kubwa yokali umwana makama.
Ndio na yega hapo. Ndio na wamulika wanakula.
Lazima jua tukamba tu anakula. Asiwezi mulika wakikula. Lazima engineer.
Wewe.
Ana vile jopira anakula.
Yako tatisha.
Abaturi.
Abaturi.
Kuna gana ndengarasi. I just offer you lunch and breakfast.
You offer.
If you need a lot of meat, niona wakata pesa nikinunua nyama. Inapikwa hapa. From kwanzia hii
Building.
haya. Nitakuwa na kati ikifika nyama ya kilo 2 zinapikwa hapa. Mwito ni aka ugali kadogo. Baba yako. Yeke supu mimi, yeke unyama. What's fun? Usirira molire.
Iriru gutona.
Anantur muzichochi sire tiga pande banyore. Kusha man. Njoo kule bana. Ananko Kichi nyama. Okay. It's shortcut. So I want to eat, guys. Hey. So guys, people are eating their lunch. Also me, I'm on that group or squad eating lunch. This is a strong message, guys, from my mom and my sister. So again, I'm taking her to the dentist. So one premolar have been, I think one molar have been cut it halfway. This some tooth here cut by halfway, and then that halfway have been, you know, going down, and then the remaining halfway, it's disturbing my sister. So I want to take her to the dentist. Oh my god. And then from dentist, I'll see what I'm supposed to do, you know. And guys, kindly, it's been long. So guys, please, if you're watching these videos for the very first time, check out Felicitas, subscribe to her channel, because I'm trying to mentor her, and it's because I'm so busy here and there, and at the same time getting maybe time shooting video with her, it's very difficult, you know. So for me, I push her, and then there is one day I asked her, how many watching hours do you have? She told me she was remaining with only 500 watching hour to hit 4,000 watching hour. Bruno, so to hit 4,000 watching hour, kindly guys go and maybe choose some maybe 20 minutes for her videos. Watch the full length of the video. When you support her this month, they will monetize her channel, you know. So maybe one day when I get a chance, I will look and then we'll make videos. But right now I'm so busy, you know. And I know most of you are asking me closer to, I think, closer to six to 5 months there. So let me check my sister here, and then I rush her back to the hospital. We're in Border Town, and I'm taking my sister on this clinic here, St. Agnes Medical Center. 20. Daktari, shika. Salama, nipe hicho. Tena na kironga. So guys, I want my sister to check up for the tooth. Inside you ibimbe. Guys, we just back. Murakura kazi. Tahene kan. Mokole nchira.
Sokiri. Mosala nunule.
Bro ntumero. Wallahi. Today, ntumero hata tokoma tenda abunyo. These are African porridge. Backfield. Joshua, are you tired? Taheni ama buroku get oratora han. Mongo tora mbe maraba kumusingi wiki. Boss, tachina nera chonsi. Boss wangu zina kazi. Bado tunataka kujenga. Ukuta upo bado. Yeah. Chihe. Arasi. Yeah? So guys, now Muita, go ahead. Ego votachere sana. Bumogore iriso. This guy was looking my African porridge here. Okay. Backfield, ulolo. Mtengeneza njia hapo. Juu mtakuwa mnapita na block, mtoe huo. Yale madongo mengine yameisha humu. Mmeyapiga mwiki. Guys, I'm happy, you know. So look, one causes. So if I could get, I think 30 bags of cement, I could do what we called screeding, you know, of the concrete. Could be a field here, but at this point, that one is a lot of bags of cement. Maybe I'll use that one to raise. Although I have some cement, but I want to use that cement to raise up the house. Let me know on the comment section, guys. Even let me put this down. Just a minute. So we are pushing. Let me put here, no problem. So guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this house? Should I take 30 bags of cement, do screeding here, plus putting the concrete here to be a field? Or should I take that 30 bags of cement, just, you know, raise up the wall? Let me know, guys, because here you have two options. Takoma mraise yaenda sora. Lakini imbe ungeacha ukimaliza kazi ye kamba noraina runinta okani.
Tigo ni ndo beke ndi nyoru usuhira kana hamutore gasi hamutono ntebe kinara turusiriro kana ngenda korota bo.
Okay. Weka mchanga mura humu. Today we finish earlier. 5. Right now it's 5. 5. Hey, you want to run with my money? Guys, I'm telling you. Namulianza kazi saa ngapi? Apart from nini mafundi. Saa 2. Fundi Zakayo yaliwahi nilimuona. Yeah, it's good you finish. It's good you finish work earlier. You get your money, you go. So here, me, I'm just happy, guys. Like something. Huh? Lord, suka sakore sakole kari. Ako kahapo. Mwete amba nkoma kumusingi. Kino achuru sicho. Sucho tu kore unainu ama straight inaenda. Unafanya hivi.
Au wajaze kabisa umwage screeding.
Itaenda simiti mifuko mingapi?
Kama 30.
My engineer said only 30 bags. We do screeding here the entire house. All guys, I take that 30 bags just to, you know, raise up the house. Let me know. Rich kama ungekuwa na ambao Lichi. Kama ungekuwa na mambao ya pembeni ujiweke ni sawa, utapiga hiyo kokoto. Sasa mimi tena nikimbie ninunue mbao. Kuja na mbao uweke.
Si already hata kwenye bimu utanunua mbao.
Ni sawa, zile zitakuwa
nini? Ni ile mbao ambazo unazipiga hapa, ukizitoa hapa ndizo zinapiga kwenye bimu.
Mama. So I will ask my mom. Because kama ataamua ni sawa. Akiweza amua watu wanaweza watakoroga siku moja wamalize. Maana kwamba hailali. Hakuna kupiga mbao wakati watu wanapima zege, mafundi mnapiga mbao.
Ndio.
Unaamini hivi upige mbao day?
Sijasema hivyo, nilikuwa nasema tukipiga mbao. Tunaweza kosa kupiga plaster kwenye msingi. Itakuwa kazi ya siku nyingine. Yeah.
Guys, I'm thinking here. Yeah?
Utakuja ukoroge baadaye mdogo.
Ndio. Hapo labda kijenga kifanye walling, korogea huko ndani itakuwa cheaper kidogo.
When I do walling, it's cheaper to put concrete.
Yeah, kufanya slabbing.
When you put slab, it's more expensive. Guys, they told me when you put slab, it's more expensive. I think only 30 bags because I have the 30 bags on my house. So I think na wakati wakiweka hiyo slab si lazima waweke hiyo piping sijui plumbing. I think that one is better.
Kumwaga slabu ndio tuseme. Kumwaga slabu ndio tuseme.
Hapa vijana sinatoa migoli wanakoroga zege. Sasa wewe kabisa wewe utasukuma. Sawa guys, they have been finished up and let's see tomorrow's video. So actually at the same time I left my sister in hospital because we didn't find the dentist. Right now they have been calling me. I'm going to pick my sister. They have been under treatment. So actually she went up for the removal of the tooth, you know. So I was not been there because I went there. I found the dentist was not around, but I found the nurse. She was around and she told me, you go, like 2 hours the doctor will be here. So I see, instead of waiting, let me come and check the work. And I just came, I found the people have been, you know, backfilled with everything. Man, this is hectic, but we managed to finish up. Me, I can't complain. So what remaining here, I need your idea. If you need me to do slabbing all the house looking like a field, let me know. And if you wish, like, hello baby, start with that cement, push your house, I'll do so. And me, I want to say thank you so much, Mrs. G, all the way from Central America. You really supporting me. And I pay even the guy for the truck. It's my evidence on my videos. I think I'll including here. Yesterday night I bring those stones here, so it's my evidence. And I keep pushing the house, you know. We finish up. So for me, let me stand here and you will see. Kuna nani huko ndani? Look. Uliweka wapi kufuri? Enda basi uone penye uko uje mfunge. Uoge uje usubirie pesa. So guys, even I have a small boy here. He was my relative, my family member. He came here and said, hey, hello baby, give me work, this and that. You know, I said, okay, you just like, if Mason need to drink water, give them. If they need small stones around here, give them. Mama, come you see the work. Ma, I'm telling my mom, I'm going to pick my sister. Unaonaje kazi? So engineer ameniambia kama tunawezekana kukoroga, ikorogwe. Simitire ngakira. Amesema here I think we use 30 bags. Kokoto ndo na gari mbili. Sasa mama, mimi naona wacha wachapie. Waje weke screening. Because here I'll put 30 bags of cement. I haven't included labor money because concrete people need to be paid 600 each, mostly handman, and also 1,200 for the mason because it's a tough work. So I see when we put the wall here, these other places, like we put concrete. We said maybe mason, one mason here, there. Now mama, you are happy. Tumemaliza sehemu ngumu.
Msingi.
Tata wewe ukikuwa hapa kazi haisongi. Sasa wewe naambe mlianza hii kazi ngumu. Ufungume pia nani? Mani nilete ile sote ni vitu toke mfunge. Hiyo ni kazi ya mani power.
Kwani mwenyekiti msipita tayari?
Dentist yako mama. Sasa nilimwacha nikarudi. This one just nimeinua mikono kwa baba. Just raise up hand to Almighty God. This one, guys, I'm telling you, no joke here. And me, I don't want to cry. Patia kufuri manipao. Muita kesho kija asubuhi. Mkibisumane kile soro chance har. Otema huiri sato. Hata hano. Ujupige hapo. Tingu tuna. Ke. Mama hata hii ni moram ulicha amesema. Hakuna tofauti ile na hii. Ni moram. Bado mvua ikinyesha, ngwache kutumike mvua ikinyesha, itajishindiria kwenda chini. Je kuleta ile moram pale. Sasa pale vilitakuja kuwa. Tutakuja kutoa ile masato pale. Ukuti kienda juu mama, tunaziba madirisha. Tunabomoa pale. So we remaining with porch ya mbele imebaki. I'm telling my mama, the house is so big. We remaining with the porch. And uoge. Leo utakula 200. Sawa? Siko sawa? And uoge ukuje. Ukisikia tu nimekuja, ujue 200. Ndakutunza kidogo kidogo. Nikikupa hela mingi utaharibika. Haya tata kesho. Anyway guys, let me go and check my sister. Guys, I'm heading to pick my sister. Even I forget to pick the helmet. Guys, kindly forgive me, but I'm going on lower speed, Yeah. So technically as we speak here, I'm remaining with only 20 minutes. The clinic will be closed. Only 20 minutes. You see the sun is going down. Only 20 minutes left. See this Benz. Okay. Hello. Let's go, guys. That's a tractor right there. Wagon, man. We are pushing, guys. I'm going at the speed of 30. Look at the hidden roof. It's very nice. And I love that. So for me, I'm so grateful, guys. What I do for my mama, it's only God know, and also you guys, you know, nothing to be hide, you know, like, hey, it's my evidence on videos, man. I love that, you know, I love that. That's the priest's car right here. Me, I'm telling you, man, I want to say thank you a million, because you're really supporting me, man, since day one up to now. And you know, even my motorbike that I have is through your hard working, you know. Yeah. Wagwan. And the people in my village, no one who believe where I came from, and the things that I do, they didn't believe. But you know, they don't know how, you know, we work so hard, things like that. So it's evening time, and this is border town for you. Now look, the supplier company for Coca-Cola supplier company, you know. We're gonna move, man, you know. No pressure on that, you know. We are moving like never before. See, people are working so hard outside to put something on table. What's going on here, man? What's going on here? People are quarreling. Okay, let's go. And I'm trying to rush, pick my sister and do my own thing, you know. So this could be the last videos that I'm doing here. It depends. I will end my video here, guys, you know, for that town. See, 3 people on the motorbike. Okay. Struggle for survival, you know, man. Struggle for survival, you know. That's total company. Have tank right here, you know. We're gonna push, man, like never before. Gonna push, and you know, like never before. So this canal is here. See, look at that. So I'm heading this way. Baby, fresh. Ushatolewa? So I want to pay the money, bill money. Dad? Eh. Hadi umeng'olewa. Amekung'oa mangapi? Moja.
Nilitoa siku moja na yeye tena amekamata.
Ile siku hakumtoa.
Tulikuwa na yeye siku.
Siku yenye nilimtoa nikaenda.
Hilo ndio kana yeye.
Oh. So look. Anyway, guys, no problem. As long as my sister, she's okay. Anyway, let me pay the money and then boom. Chukua na madawa, si ndio? Sasa uko sawa? Ha? Sawa, acha usimeze mate, sawa. Only God, I'm telling you.
Haya.
Habari daktari?
Salama.
Teja wako huyo hapo.
Nilishamhudumia. Utalipa hapo kwa sister na kupatia maagizo.
Zile dawa zako Kuna dawa zenye ulinipatia ile siku. China wana. Wapi? Oh. So let me pay the money and then I take some painkiller. Boom. You know. Sawa, nisubirie. Alright. So guys, I just come back home and my sister, she went to sleep because of the pain, and this is the medicine for my sister. Me, I'm telling you. So me, I handle to my mama. Sasa taanza kumeza kuanzia kesho asubuhi. I'm telling my mama, my sister, they're supposed to take the tablets from tomorrow morning, because right now they have been given some medicine, and yeah, for curing the pain after removal of the tooth. It's so pain, man. But anyway, I am. So this is my bike. And guys, I think I want to end my video here. I'm so grateful. Guys, if you want to support Hello Baby, you do so, because my number is on my bio, and support anything about construction, because love is for free, and let's build Africa brick by brick, man. You know, even birds here, hey, they're saying tree. I love these birds. I don't know why, guys. Even the nature. In future, this my garden here, will plant some fruits, strawberry, and the birds will come, you know. And I think, guys, calm down. I think, guys, this is my suggestion. No, I'll come there. This is my suggestion. This is our boundary. I think to put here perimeter wall, to build pole. There's some birds because of the dog. Let me go this way, guys. Putting here perimeter wall, going that way, slowly, no pressure, guys. But this time I'm focusing to build my mom's house. This perimeter wall, it's the maybe last one, slowly, because I need my mama to be secure when I go around the world, or maybe around East Africa. At least I leave my mama in a good condition, in a security way, like no scared, man, you know. So anyway, guys, thank you so much, and may God bless you. In case you're new here, subscribe. Take me to 10K subscriber. And I try to imagine these people have been taken here, the whole track to other side, and it finish everything. Oh man, construction. In foundation, me, I just raise up my hand. So I'm thinking about, before we end this video, putting slab. It's more expensive, like for entire house. It's more expensive. So that cement that I have, let me use that one to raise up the house. When it reach there, I will stop. And when I doesn't have any on my pocket, I'll stop. But I think the house will be on this level here, from the foundation up to here. I think there we shall reach there, and then I'll stop it, man. So anyway, I love you guys. Let's meet on tomorrow's video, guys. Bye.